Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is T-Bro Paul, and today we will be going over every single way to factor polynomials. Since there are many ways to factor polynomials, having an overview on every single way to factor will help you figure out which method to use and when to use it. First of all, we have the GCF method, which is the first step in factoring any polynomial. You must check to see if the expression has a GCF before you move on to the next step. Now, if the polynomial has 4 terms, you'll most likely be factoring by grouping. If you have a binomial instead, you should check to see if it is a difference of squares. When given a trinomial, check to see if it's a perfect square trinomial. If not, check to see if the leading coefficient is 1. If it is, you can factor by doing the reverse of the FOIL method, and if it isn't, you can factor using your preferred method for factoring trinomials when a is not equal to 1. Remember that you can choose from the AC method, the X method, or the tic-tac-toe method. Here's an overview of all the factoring methods and when to use them. If you're not familiar with any of these methods, a playlist will be linked in the description below as well as the top right-hand corner of your screen. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Check the description below for other helpful resources and make sure to leave any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.